Biodiversity is all the different kinds of life we find in one area. The animals, plants, fungi, and even microorganisms that together form ecosystems. In India, biodiversity is the very foundation of survival, supporting food, clean water, medicine, and shelter. Biodiversity performs vital functions on Earth. It recycles and stores nutrients, combats pollution, stabilizes climate, protects water resources, and forms soil. It provides biological resources such as medicines, food, wood, and ornamental plants, and it ensures diversity of species, ecosystems, and genes. Beyond that, biodiversity enriches human life with recreation, tourism, cultural traditions, and scientific research. However, biodiversity faces grave threats. Population growth and human activities shrink habitats, pushing species toward endangerment. The loss of just one species disrupts ecosystems in a cascade effect. Invasive species compete with natives, while pollution from pesticides and industrial waste harms both aquatic and terrestrial life. India has already seen several extinctions, highlighting the urgent need for conservation. One approach is in situ conservation, protecting species in their natural habitats. National parks conserve entire ecosystems with strict bans on human activity. Wildlife sanctuaries prioritize species and habitats while allowing limited human use. Examples include Jim Corbett, Kaziranga, and Ranthambore national parks, as well as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, Chilika Lake, and Chinnar Sanctuary. India also has 18 biosphere reserves, like Nilgiri, Gulf of Mannar, and Sundarbans, that safeguard ecosystems while supporting local communities. Communities also play a vital role. Many villages protect sacred groves as abodes of deities, preserving rare plants and animals. The Bishnoi community famously sacrificed their lives to protect kedri trees, while the Chipko movement in Uttarakhand pioneered forest protection through people's action. The Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 was a landmark law. Before it, India had only 5 national parks. The act banned hunting, protected scheduled species, and laid the foundation for modern conservation across the nation. Project Tiger, launched in 1973, revived the tiger population from just 1,411 in 2006 to 3,682 in 2022. Making India home to 75% of the world's wild tigers. Today, India has 57 tiger reserves. Project Elephant, launched in 1992, works to protect elephants from poaching and reduce human-elephant conflicts while supporting research and conservation. Ex situ conservation protects species outside natural habitats. Zoological parks and botanical gardens preserve plants and animals for education and research. Gene banks and seed vaults safeguard future diversity, including the Indian Seed Vault in Ladakh, the second largest in the world. Captive breeding centers, like the Madras Crocodile Bank and the Ramanagara Vulture Sanctuary, help restore threatened species. India's National Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan 2024-30 takes a whole-of-society approach. Its vision, halt biodiversity loss by 2030 and live in harmony with nature by 2050 through restoration, recovery programs, and sustainable financing. Biodiversity is life itself. Protecting it means protecting our own survival and securing a sustainable future for generations to come.